Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Today, India VIX, that is the fear index, went up by 5% to a certain extent, later settled at 4%. Now, this kind of fear in the market is definitely expected before the budget. Today, early morning itself, GIFT Nifty was indicating that our market will open with a gap down. During the opening, Nifty went below 24,500 psychological level, breaking an important supporting area. But from this area, we could see a continuous reversal in the market. Now in Bank Nifty also, a major important support level was broken after 5 minutes. Market created a low from where there was a quick momentum towards the upside. Market definitely attracted a lot of put option buyers here before it reversed. Now the levels what you're seeing here are the support and resistance level which we had discussed today morning in our private telegram group. Somewhere around 9:18 to 9:20, I had discussed about important support and resistance level both for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now I also shared this screenshot saying that these two are important support levels. According to me, no put option trade as long as this level is broken. And in Nifty also, I said there is a gap here. There is a high chance that Nifty can fill this gap. The next call option trading opportunity will be at this resistance level consolidation breakout, only if that happens. So I had given all the logic behind why we should not be planning for put option trade. Here I had said today is Monday. Usually market tend to be jittery on Mondays. Both the index after gap down is reversing as there is no stop loss hunting level at the bottom. Also note both the index has been oversold and going below 0.618 level of Fibonacci. So as long as the day's low is broken, strong bearish candle, better to avoid any kind of put option trade. So as per our view, Bank Nifty respected the support, moved towards the upside, and Nifty also moved towards the upside and filled this gap. And it was facing resistance at the levels which we discussed. Somewhere around 9:45, I shared my next update where I said those who have entered call option trade, it would be safe to book profit because market is very close to our resistance, or at least we have to trail our stop losses so that we don't lose out on the profit that we made. Later point of day, market continued. Those who trailed their stop loss and market reached our resistance level, I said resistance level reached, I would rather book my profit here and exit here. Do not want to hold call option trade any longer because we have got a decent movement in the market from the supporting area close to 500 points at least. So I feel we should not be greedy. Planning to exit our call option is better. Now Nifty also had reached our resistance level, so I said it is better to exit any call option trade. Data point of day, exactly from this level market started falling close to 150 to 200 points. So anyone who did not exit the market here, they would have seen some decent losses in the market. And later point of day, again market tried to trap put option buyers. First we were not able to identify the movement, but later I shared this setup saying that I expect market to make a momentum towards the upside because I don't trust this breakdown. Buyers who entered here, they would have already booked their profit and exited. So there's no stop loss hunting level at the bottom. If market continues to fall from here, people who entered at this breakdown, even they'll start making profit. So the market had to reverse. So the probability of market reversing was high according to my view. So as per our expectation, market started reversing from here. Yes, I expected market to go at least up to 52,360. First there was a good movement, later market closed sideways. So traders, to a certain extent, there was no big move in the market, there was just volatility where Nifty close to where it was on Friday and Bank Nifty also closed somewhere near Friday's close itself because everyone is waiting for the big day. Of all this live market update which I shared in the private telegram group, I even shared that in the free telegram channel also. Some of the updates I shared exactly when I shared in the private telegram group. Now those of you who's interested to join the free telegram channel, you can scan this QR code to join the group. The link is also provided in the description box below. You can check it out. Now what kind of trading opportunity do we have for tomorrow? Let's discuss about that. Now traders, one of the most important financial event which everybody will be focusing on will be the budget for the year. That's one of the most important event. Now, as and when the news comes out, based on it being positive or negative, market tend to react according to that. If any particular sector is getting affected because of that, positively or negatively, you can see those stocks reacting. Now, I personally use the budget event data only to identify if this is a good opportunity for me to exit my positions which I've invested, or if there is a correction in the market. Is it a right time for me to invest in those stocks which are affected by the budget but which has good potential, like good PE ratio, compared to other stocks in the same sector. So for me, that one particular day of the budget helps me decide what I need to do with my portfolio. For example, I have a lot of gold piece. Let's say tomorrow there is any announcement. For example, they say they're going to reduce the amount of tax which they're collecting for gold, right? Import duty tax, whatever as such. That time gold might start correcting. What is my expectation? My expectation is when gold starts correcting, I would be looking at this as an opportunity for me to acquire more positions. Here I'm getting a better value over a period of time. Once US elections start, they will start cutting in interest rate. When the rate cut starts, even by 0.25%, slowly gold will start moving towards the upside. So I would be looking at this as an opportunity for me to invest. Or let's say, for example, there is a positive news related to banks. Or let's say I hold Axis Bank. Because of this good news, Axis Bank from the current level, let's say it started to move towards the upside. If I'm holding this stock, I would consider to book my profit and take out that capital for the next investment which I'm doing. In the future, when I get better opportunity in that particular sector, I might invest. For me, budget personally is an opportunity for me to book my profit at certain stocks which I'm holding on for a while, or identify those stocks which are trading at undervalued, and in that if I'm getting a buying opportunity to capture the moment. Now before the market open itself, I would have already decided what I need to do with the stocks which I have in my portfolio. Now for example, I said banking stocks I'm thinking of exiting when there is a profit. Now why would I do this? Because big banks like HDFC, ICICI, Axis Bank, all of these banks, you can see the amount of people depositing the money in these banks towards savings or FD has significantly reduced because the amount of interest what people are getting, they're not happy with it. Some banks for saving account they give 3 to 5%, for FD they give 5 to 7%. People are not happy with this. So people are removing the money from their FDs and saving bank account and they're investing it in mutual fund. In recent times you can see many reports which clearly shows people have invested in mutual fund. There are a lot of funds available, the fund manager, and they are pushing the market towards the upside. When I already see the market is overvalued right now, even if I have capital, what do? I hold it for a while. When there is a correction in the market, usually 10 to 15% is considered as correction. In this case, I would say even if market goes to 22,500, that is an area of correction where market has potential to move towards the upside. Only when it goes below 19,500, I would consider this as a bearish market where the trend has been changed. It's very common that market corrects by 10% to 15% before it continues the uptrend. So this one is something which I wanted to discuss in terms of investment perspective. But what about trading perspective? In trading perspective, we just have to identify certain range in the market. For example, in Nifty, you can see 24,500 has been considered as important level in the market. First of all, it's a psychological level. Now, people have applied long straddle here. Whichever side the market move, they will try to book their profit, and other side they might exit their position. If market moves up, they'll hold their call option trade and exit from their put option trade. But market until the budget starts, I think it starts somewhere around 10:10. Until then, can give out false signals. So as a trader, only thing what we can do is identify certain important levels. If market is breaking those levels, we will be looking for opportunity. Here you can see on a 15 minutes time frame from recent swing low to swing high, I had drawn the Fibonacci levels. Now continuously market started to move towards the upside. It gave a false breakout at the upper level. Buyers started booking their profit and we could see correction in the market. The correction has happened more than 0.618 level. So the buyers who entered here, the market cannot target them. So market at this level has very less potential to move towards the downside. But still, I will mark certain levels on the chart. For example, I mark this upper level. This is a range of 24,500 level. In case market opens with a gap up and starts moving towards the upside, previously market gave a breakdown, right? Now it is moving towards the upside for retest. Anyone who entered sell position here during this move, they would have already seen some profit. But if the market opens with gap up and starts moving even higher, I feel from swing high to swing low, if I draw the Fibonacci level, market has potential to go up to 24,700 area for a retest. So here if I'm getting a call option trading opportunity, I will try to consider that. One more reason is as the market keeps moving higher, it will create panic for call option writers. When they start exiting, it can give extra push for the market to move towards the upside. You can see many people are sitting at 25,000 and 24,000 level because they want to play safe. So here, when market starts removing call option writers from upper level, when they start exiting from the market, I feel Nifty has potential to continue the trend. That is why when market goes above this level, sustains, gives a breakout, I'll be looking for call option trade in the market. Now, in case market opens somewhere here or here, it just consolidates like this. Better that we avoid any kind of trade. Wait for market to go above this level to look for call option trade, or let it go below this level, 24,390. So here we will be looking for put option trade. Why we'll be looking for put? Market created a high, low, lower high, and then market is trying to form a lower low. After some consolidation, market can continue the trend. The sellers who entered the market here during this fall, they would have already made profit. When market is going below this level, it is difficult for market to target these sellers, so it might continue the trend even though there are no buyers at this area. Without worrying too much about what they're going to say about the budget, when it comes to intraday trading, these are the levels where I'll be looking for opportunity, and this becomes a no trading zone. During the live market, if I'm finding any interesting setup or my point of view of the market changes, definitely I'll update you in the private Telegram group. Now this is Bank Nifty chart, 15 minutes time frame. In Bank Nifty also, only simple trading opportunities I'm going to plan for tomorrow. In case this setup work good, or else booking my profit, I would exit without thinking too much. So what kind of setup we are looking for in Bank Nifty? Now you can see as of now in Bank Nifty, continuously this area is acting as resistance and this area is acting as support. Today also market is taking support in the zone. From Friday's high to today's low, if you look, Bank Nifty has been trading somewhere in between itself. Now my expectation is from swing high to swing low, if I draw the Fibonacci level, this area 52,435. This is the area where I'll be looking for breakout opportunities in the market. Now here, if I'm getting any breakout setup with small stop loss, I'll be looking for a call, because my understanding is once market goes above 52,500, it has potential to continue the trend. Many times this level is tested. So here we might have an opportunity to capture bigger moment. If you look at option chain data, call option writers are considering 52,500 as important resistance. So when market is near that zone and goes above 52,500, this will create panic for call option writers. This will help Bank Nifty to continue the trend. The logic behind entering little before market going above 52,500 is we will get better price for our entry here. So even if market reaches this resistance, by the time this move happens, we would have already seen decent profit. So taking a bit of risk at this breakout seems to be better for me. For put option trade, from today's low to high, I have marked the Fibonacci level. If market shows continuous bearishness near 0.618 level, retest and continues the trend. Previously, this area was acting as good support level in the market. So after retest, if market is showing continuation, then with small stop loss here, I'll be planning for a put, and my next target towards the downside will be 51,795. So this is the no trading zone. Above this area, I'll be looking for call. Below this area, I'll be looking for put option trade. This is the only trading setup I'll be looking for in the market. In case view changes, definitely I'll keep you updated in the pre-market report in our free Telegram channel. During the live market, I'll keep you updated in the private Telegram group. Traders, if you enjoyed this analysis, then support the channel by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. If you think this kind of content will be useful for your friends, please share it with them. Now that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.